Today, we're going to tackle a common concern that many JHS and WASSCE graduates face: the challenge of retrieving missing WASSCE or BECE certificate. So, let's dive right in. Do you find yourself in a situation where you can't locate your WASSCE or BECE certificate, and you desperately need it for various purposes? Whether it's for further education, travel, employment, or enlisting in the Ghana Army, police, or other security services, the struggle is real. Unfortunately, WAEC doesn't issue duplicate certificates once they've been sent to your school or examination center. But don't lose hope just yet. There's a second chance for you: WAEC's Attestation of Results. This serves as a valid replacement for the missing certificate. WAEC has made it clear that they don't issue duplicate certificates, but they do provide attestations that hold the same weight. Let's explore how you can get this done. To get your missing WASSCE or BECE certificate back, you can apply for WAEC's Attestation of Results. This document serves as proof that you sat for the examination. It's important to note that the attestation is as valid as the certificate itself. However, there are specific steps you need to follow. 1. Provide your name, as used in the examination. 2. The name, month, and year of examination. Once the process is complete, you'll be informed about the timeline for collecting your. Make a photocopy of your proof of payment and any other document issued by WAEC. Also, take a picture of the form you fill out, whether online or offline. These steps will serve as evidence if, for any reason, WAEC fails to provide you with the certificate. And there you have it, a solution for those missing WASSCE or BECE certificates. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, this is JESTHER signing off from Jhuxtelloitech. Take care, and good luck with your certificate retrieval journey.